How are you students? Vidyalakshmi group of schools welcomes you. So இந்த வீடியோ நீங்கள் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. ஏன்னா MCQ is very important to face the public examination. உங்களுக்கு ரெகுலராக வீடியோ வந்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கும் கண்டினியூஸாக. இப்போ லாஸ்ட் 3 கிளாஸ் நம்ம முடிச்சிருக்கோம். அந்த 3 கிளாஸஸில் இருந்து என்னென்ன பாசிபிள் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அதுதான் இந்த MCQ, ரைட்? So now we are going to enter into the MCQs. First question பாருங்க. A compound is formed by cation C and anion A. The anion form hexagonal close packed HCP lattice and the cation occupy 75% of octahedral voids. Clear? So here voids. So the formula of the compound is, so we are going to find out. See that the anion form hexagonal close packed. So anion form HCP, hexagonal close packed. Clear? So that is number of atoms is equal to 6. So n is equal to 6, right? Then we are going to see that a compound is formed by cation C. Cation occupies 75% of the octahedral voids. So octahedral voids is equal to 6. Octahedral voids, that is nothing but 6. In that 75%. Clear? So 75%, 6 into 75 by 100. Clear? So 3 by 4 is equal to 18 by 4 is equal to 9 by 2. Clear? Now you are going to, so this is the, what is that? Anion, that is the cation. So cation is to anion is equal to 9 by 2 is to 6 by, what is that? 1. Right? So write 2, then 9 is to 12. So 9 is to 12, so 3 is to 4. Clear? So C3, then A4. So that is the option. See the option. First option is C4A3, second option C2A3, third option C3A2, fourth option C3A4, that is the right option. So anion form a HCP, the number of atoms 6, then octahedral, that is the 6, 75%. So we are going to find out, we are getting the C3A4 is the right answer, the fourth option is the correct answer, right? Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Okay. So now, which of the following condition favors the existence of a substance in the solid state? See the options: high temperature, low temperature, high thermal energy, weak cohesive force. But which of the following condition favors the existence of the substance in the solid state? In that, what is that? Molecular force of attraction. Clear? Molecular force of attraction. You see that, what is that? In solid state, intermolecular force of attraction. In that, low temperature, then high pressure. Low temperature, high pressure. intermolecular force of attraction. So what is that? Here you are going to see the option high temperature, high thermal energy, then weak cohesive force. That low temperature is the right answer. Low temperature is the right answer. Clear? So intermolecular force of attraction, that is nothing but low temperature and high pressure. Right? So then we are going to talk about the next question. Which of the following is not a characteristics of crystalline solid? You see that define the characteristics of heat of fusion. What do you mean by heat of fusion? What do you mean by heat of fusion? So solid, melting point, right? Then liquid. This is what is that? That is nothing but heat of fusion. Heat of fusion. Are you able to follow? Right. Define the characteristic of heat of fusion. That belongs to the crystalline solid. Then regular, periodically repeated pattern of arrangement of constituent particles. That also repeated pattern. Order arrangement. That also belongs to the crystalline. Right? Then what is that? Regular, period, okay. Then true solid. That also crystalline solid. Isotropic nature. That belongs to the amorphous solid. That characteristic, that property belongs to the amorphous substances. So that is why which of the following is not a characteristic of a crystalline solid? That is nothing but isotropic nature. That is the right answer. Right? The next question you are going to see. Which of the following is an amorphous solid? Graphite. Graphite is not a amorphous solid. Silicon carbide, you already known well. That is not a amorphous solid. Chrome alum. Chrome alum, that is definitely not a amorphous solid. Then what is that? Quartz glass, that is the amorphous solid. So second option is the right option. Clear? Second option is the right option. The next question. Iodine molecules are held in the please observe, concentrate that. Iodine molecules are held in the crystal lattice. Crystal lattice. Iodine molecules held in the crystal lattice. Clear? What is that? London forces. The London forces is the attractive forces. The dipole-dipole interaction, that is the possible only in the polar. Clear? Polar molecular solids. Covalent bond, mutual sharing of electrons. But which force? London force, attractive force. Dipole-dipole interaction, that is nothing but that is present only in the polar molecular solids. Covalent bond, mutual sharing of electron, the bond is formed in between the two atoms. The next one, Coulombic forces. That is the right answer. Right? Good. Then we are going to pause on. Which of the following is not a future of solids? Which of the following is not a future of solids? The solid contains mass and volume. Do you know that? Yes. Then frequent fluidity means that is nothing but moving, that is nothing but liquid. Rigidity, strong. Definite shape, the solid is having the definite shape. So in these four options, the solid is having the mass and volume. The solid is having rigidity. The solid is having the definite shape, but frequent fluidity, that is not a characteristics of solid. That is why that option is the right option. That is the liquid. Clear? Right. Then we are going to talk about the next one. Which of the following is not a characteristics of amorphous solids? Not a characteristics of amorphous solids. Suppose you are going to heat the crystalline solid, that will attain the sharp melting point. What do you mean by sharp melting point? That is nothing but heat of fusion, solid to liquid. What is that? Melting point. What is that? Heat of fusion. Are you able to follow? Heat of fusion is nothing but the solid converted into liquid. The temperature is the heat of fusion. The temperature is the melting point. So have non-order by very short range orderly arrangement. So that amorphous solids, that is having the short range order, the molecules are arranged in random manner. So that is why disorder. Because of the disorder, that contains short range order. Clear? Right. Then so isotropy, that belongs to the amorphous solid, have a tendency to under irregular cleavage. Clear? Which of the following is not a characteristics of amorphous solids? Number 2 belongs to amorphous solids. Number 3 belongs to amorphous solid. Number 4, irregular cleavage, because of the atoms are arranged disorderly arranged. That is why if you are going to cut it, you are going to get the irregular cleavage. Clear? But in the case of solid, sharp edges you are going to get it. So first one have a sharp melting point, that belongs to the crystalline solid. That is why that character is not a characteristics of amorphous solid. That is why the first one is the right answer. Clear? Then which of the following is not a property of crystalline solid? Which of the following is not a property of crystalline solids? So isotropy. Isotropy belongs to amorphous substance. Sharp melting point belongs to crystalline substance. Anisotropic nature belongs to crystalline solids. Have a long range orderly, because of the atoms are arranged in order. That is why that contains the long range order arrangement. Clear? So isotropy, that is the right answer, that belongs to the amorphous substance. That is why that character is not a property of crystalline solids. Clear? Then which of the following is non-crystalline solids? Which of the following is a non-crystalline solid? See the first one, diamond is the crystalline solids. Right, first one. That option is not correct. Glass. Then table salt is the, what is the table salt? Sodium chloride. Table salt, rock salt, then ordinary salt, sodium chloride. Clear? Right? That is the crystalline. The next one, sucrose. That sucrose contains glucose and fructose. That also crystalline. But third one, wooden glass. That is the right answer. That is the right answer. Non-crystalline. Right? Then next question. Which of the following is the molecular solid? Iodine, iodine. Iodine plus iodine gives I2, is it not? It is the molecular solid. Wax, that also molecular solid. Ice, hydrogen and oxygen. H2O allowed to freeze, you are getting the ice. That is also molecular solid. Which of the following is the molecular solid? That is the question. So, first option molecular solid, second option molecular solid, third option molecular solid. But what is the answer? All of these. That is the right answer. Clear? Any doubt in this? மறந்துடாம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. இப்படி ஒவ்வொரு பார்ட் முடிக்க 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 எம்சிக்கு வந்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். அந்த சைடில் லெசன்ஸ் வந்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். அதுக்கு அடுத்து அது முடித்த உடனே எம்சிக்கு வந்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ ஐ கைண்ட்லி ரிக்வஸ்ட் யூ, ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் லைக் and share to your friends. That is more helpful to face your examination. Clear? So, thank you very much.